Hi everybody and welcome to the course. It's just a quick video to introduce myself to you in case we haven't met before. I know that many of you probably wonder about who the person is that's teaching the course, what their experience might be, what their expectations are. My name is Debbie Saboter. You can please just call me Debbie. I've been a registered nurse for 30 years and I've worked in acute care, home care, and long-term care, and also in education. I've been in education since 2003. That's when I earned my master's degree in nursing with a specialty in education from UMass Medical Center in Worcester. And I am also currently working on a postmaster certificate in online teaching here at BayPath. I've taught clinical rotations at many area colleges, and I was also the coordinator for the laboratory in the skills laboratory at UMass Medical Center in their GEP program for a couple of years. Here at BayPath, I've taught online courses only. I've taught in HSA, HSW, CHL, and BSN courses. And I also work in the education department at a local community hospital. I did work my way through school from an associate degree to a bachelor degree and then the master's degree. It did take me over 20 years to do it. I did it while raising a family. With most of it, I was a single mom during that. So I do feel that I have a pretty good connection with most of you that are students here in the American Women's College. I have a good understanding of how much you're juggling with work and personal issues and school, and everything else that goes on in our lives. I am married. I have two adult sons, two adult stepsons, two grandsons, a granddaughter, 3 cats, and a dog. Some pictures of my family there. My passion for teaching began by precepting and mentoring new nurses while I was a nurse working on the floor. I really love to see when students and new nurses would have that aha moment. You can almost see it in their eyes when they see that it all comes together, what they've been learning, that they finally get it. If you were to ask me about my philosophy of teaching, I would have to say that I value Socrates the most. He said, I cannot teach anybody anything. I can only make them think. So he doesn't teach students as, like empty vessels that you're going to fill with facts and stuff. Rather, the teachers and students embark on a journey together, and the teacher helps to draw out the knowledge from the student. I think that this is the perfect philosophy for online education. So I feel that my role is to make material interesting and relevant to you as adult learners. I know and you know that you have limited time. So let's just get to the gist of what we want to learn. Incidentally, I tend to learn as much as you do in each course, even if I've taught it before, because you guys always bring so much. You come with such diverse backgrounds and nursing expertise and different ideas. I love sharing all of that together with the group. So if you're the smartest person in the room, you're in the wrong room. I truly believe that. And I welcome you to the course. Let's embark on this journey together and we'll get started. Thanks.